at ISRO Shah, we showed the base model of LV-M3 human-rated vehicle with a crew module on top, and now we are glad to show you a kind of test module. It is called as the Integrated Airdrop Test Crew Module Structure. So this is one of the original crew modules that will be tested, and this one's purpose is to be dropped from a distance of 4 to 5 kilometers from the atmosphere, and it will reach down to the, and they will be doing multiple tests on it to find out exactly how the structural integration works. You could see here I am touching the test module here. These are all rivets on it, and it's also mentioned Crew Module Structure Integrated Airdrop Test. This has been constructed by KCP Heavy Engineering Limited in Chennai and has been handed over to ISRO, and this will be used for the test structure. And in fact, like while speaking to us earlier, Acting Director of HSFC, Dr. Hutton said that this is going to be multiple tests will be conducted with such test modules, and the main purpose is to exactly find out how it is going to keep the humans, the Gaganauts inside, safe. The main aspect is that as it is being dropped, remember, a crew of Indian Gaganauts will be on the atmosphere, in the space around 400 kilometers, going around Earth for 3 days, and then they'll have to do something called as re-entry, and this is where this module will play a very important role. They will be inside this module as it is re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. 28,000 kilometers, that will be the actual speed. It will be brought down considerably. On the top that you see over there, that will be covered, and over there will be 3 sets of parachutes, main parachute, pilot parachute and such. That will actually reduce the velocity to bring it down, and it is expected to make down a touchdown on the sea, on the water. So that test will be conducted. Acting Director Hutton also very clearly mentioned that this place will be covered with a black tile. It's called as a heat absorbing tile. As such, what it will do is that as it re-enters the atmosphere, a lot of heat will be produced, 200 Kelvin at least, due to friction, and it will protect the crew from that particular heat. And here the inside and outside will be made up of aluminum and composite aluminum, because that actually brings down the weight, and all will be tested one after the test. On one side, ISRO is conducting test vehicle of crew escape system and such, and here we are also seeing this module which will be used for the airdrop test. Acting Director Hutton also stated that before this will get certified, it has to go through a severe amount of tests, everything to make sure that the Gaganauts who go up the space come back safely. Devraj, Pramod Madhav for India Today.